Welcome back. So what are we going to do? AI Tech has 4 steps. One of the steps is to register your account. Register your account, and the second step is to link that account that is registered to Tag Market. Who is Tag Market? Tag Market is the broker that will give you access to the market. So what is another step? The next step is now to link the Tag Market, the Tag broker, to AI. AI is now the one that will do the trading for you. You are not the one trading, except if you want to trade manually. That is the third step. Then the fourth step is now to link to MT45, where you will now be seeing what the AI is doing for you. Remember, you have to, after registration, you get your account verified, then get deposit before all this. But this is just a wrap-up of what you have to do in all. So now, what are we doing now? We want to link the Tag Market to Sonic AI, which will do the trading for us. So what are the steps? The first thing to do is to click on this parallel line up here. Click on this parallel line up here. This one. Once you click on it, then you drag your phone up to this place where it is written, this place, the copy X. You click on copy X, then you allow it to load. Then here you'll be presented with this interface. Allow it to load. Yeah, here we are. So now you click on this, ensure it's on Sonic, which is the AI. You click on details, then allow the details, drag it down. Then this is where the action will be taken. The minimum you can deposit, you can invest. The minimum you can invest, not deposit. The minimum you can invest is $10. Then you can now enter. Let's assume you want to invest $100. You enter $100. Then ensure it's on amplified, because this is what will give you the access code. This is what will give you the 24x. For instance, if you enter $200 and something, it will amplify you to $6,000. So that is it. Then on here, you click on this community token, the drop down. Once you click on the drop down, you now paste the code. Paste the code. Then paste the code on this place. Then you will see verify. You tap on verify. Verification failed. Okay, now the verification has gone through a tag. Look at this tag. The tag will pop up. You now click on copy it, and do what? Paste it on this place. Paste it on this very particular place. Paste it here and click on submit. After you're done submitting, you enable this. You enable this and enable that, and you click on copy now. Do you understand? That is it. Once you click on copy now, you are successfully linked your account. Then to confirm if you really achieved that, if it was properly done, you click on this same parallel line, click on copy X. Then here you will see you will see this video. Then apart from, you will now see this, you now look at this woman avatar. Tap on it. You click on this strategies. This is your dashboard. Click on strategies. Then you will now see whatever you have. This one is for deposit. This one is for withdrawal. If you want to deposit again, top up, you can do that here. This is where you will see everything that is ongoing. This thing will now start trading for you. To now start trading for you, and that is how simple it is. So you can. That's all about depositing. That's all about linking your account to Sonic, and also topping up your balance if you so desire. This is Fullwealth. I do care. Do have a lovely day.